Read out the question.
Three math classes X, Y, and Z take an algebra test. The average score in class X is 83. The average score in class Y is 76. The average score in class Z is 85. The average score of all students in classes X and Y together is 79. The average score of all students in classes Y and Z together is 81. What is the average score of all three classes?
Okay. So there is small x number of students in class capital X, small y number of students in class capital Y, and small z number of students in class capital Z, right?
Yes.
So 83x plus 76y is 79 is the average of x plus y.
Yes.
If you solve it, you get 4x equal to 3y,
Yes.
or x by y will be 3 by 4.
Yes.
Similarly, for y and z, 76 is the average of y and 85 is the average of z, and their combined average is 81,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So from this we get 4z equal to 5y.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
So 4x equal to 3y, right?
Yes.
So write down 4x equal to 3y.
Yes.
Therefore, 12x equal to 15y.
Okay.
And 4z equal to 5y.
Hmm.
4x equal to 3y. Therefore, 20x equal to 15y. Sorry, 20x equal to 15y.
Okay.
And 4z equal to 5y. Therefore, 12z equal to 15y.
Okay.
So from there we get 20x equal to 15y equal to 12z.
Hmm.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So x is to y is to z is 3 is to 4 is to 5.
Hmm.
So if we take the average of the three classes, 83 into 3k, because x is 3,
Hmm.
plus 76 into 4k because y is 4,
Yes.
and 85 into 5k because z is 85,
Yes.
divided by total number of students, which is 3k plus 4k plus 5k. If you do this calculation, you'll get 81.5.
Okay, sir. Understood.